Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at two words which they sound and look fairly similar, but the meanings are radically different. Okay, the words are lineament and liniment. Okay, lineament, if you're talking about somebody's face, it's a characteristic feature or a characteristic line. So I guess this line with my moustache is a lineament of my face. Or maybe the shape of my eyebrows. This is another lineament of my face. So a lineament is a distinguishing facial feature. It's a distinctive feature that characterizes something, but particularly somebody's face. Okay, so it's a distinctive feature. So I don't know, you could even probably say warm beer is one of the lineaments of British society. In geography, lineament is a geographical feature that is a line, a rift. So if you've got two tectonic plates, one going under the other, you will see a line, and that is a lineament. Now, liniment, completely different. Liniment, embrocation. This is something that you rub onto your skin to relieve arthritis, to relieve stiff joints, to help with stiffness and muscular problems. It usually contains alcohol and maybe camphor or something like that. Liniment, not lineament, liniment. Yeah, a type of embrocation. Yeah, something that is a liquid or semi-liquid that you rub onto your skin. Yeah, and it makes you feel better. Yeah, I would love it if you would come and rub some liniment into my back, because I always have back problems. Yeah, or maybe I'm going to take a nice warm bath and then I'm going to put some liniment on my aching muscles. But lineament's probably the more useful one. Lineament is a much more literary word. A facial feature, a facial outline, a distinctive characteristic of something. So, I don't know, rain is one of the lineaments of the British weather. And lineament in geography, a long feature on the surface of the earth. The Rift Valley in Africa, very definitely. And you can see these lineaments in geology, particularly if you take aerial photographs. Okay, but lineament, a feature, the outline of a feature. I don't know, the lineament, the line of my beard. Notice this word lineament, this is related to the word line. And it's effectively the lines of something. Maybe the lineament of different cars is a very important thing, because it's very distinctive. If something has a very distinctive line, a very distinctive shape, that is a lineament. So cars should have distinctive lineaments. Yeah, but you don't need to put embrocation, liniment, on your car. Okay, so liniment, something normally made of alcohol, made of camphor, something that you use to rub into sore muscles, to rub into a bad back. Now, let's see, formality. Lineament, this is formal. I think I would probably give this a 7 in formality. Don't use it informally. A semi-formal conversation, maybe just semi-formal or formal writing, definitely. And lineament, on the other hand, lineament's a little bit of an old-fashioned word, but I would say 5 in formality, use anywhere. Okay, so lineament comes from Latin lineamentum, lineament, from linea, a line, and the characteristic line of something. Whereas the lineament comes from Latin lineamentum, which means a liniment. It's something that you rub onto your skin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lineament, lineament.